What's up guys, in this video I will share with you how to make easily $500 per day just posting pictures, and I will be sharing with you some of the few great tips with which you can easily even make $1,000 per day. Okay, so be sure to stay with me till the end so you do not miss anything. Okay, but before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now guys, what is the method that we are going to use to just post pictures and stuff like that? Okay, so basically what we are going to do, we are going to simply reach out to the website owners. Okay, for example, let's say I'm going to search over here on the Google how to play guitar. Okay, how to play guitar. Then what we are going to see, we are going to see a ton of websites that are ranking over here. Look at this. These are some of the websites that are ranking over here. So we are going to just open them in another tab and look at this. This one website is the guitar lessons. Okay, so basically, as you can see, this website. So what we are going to do, we are going to simply reach out to this website owner. Okay, so basically there are a lot of ways to reach out to this owner. Okay, so first of all, what you can do, you can simply contact them if there is any contact page, or if there is not any contact page, just scroll to the bottom of the page and head over to the Facebook and ask to them on the Facebook, DM them on the Instagram, and also if you can find your email on the YouTube, in the YouTube description. Okay, then also you should check that out. And if you are going to find the email, generally it is very easy to find the email this way. Okay, but if you are not going to find the email in this way, you can just simply click on contact us and can ask. And the best way to find the email is simply look at this. Whenever you are going to visit any website, you are going to see they are giving some kind of free course. So what you are going to do, you are simply going to head over on this website and enter your email address, and then they are going to send you the course, and then you can simply reply back to the same email. Okay, and then tell them that you are a business owner. Okay, you are a social media marketing owner and a social media marketing agency. Okay, so basically what you can do, you can literally tell them that I will be posting the daily content on your social media profiles like Google Plus, Instagram, Facebook, and stuff like that. Okay, so basically they do not have a lot of time to sharing the content on another website. They are engaged in managing their website, writing articles, and starting new courses and stuff like all those things. Okay, they do not have time to do all these things, and literally when you will share all those things on the their content on the another social media, they will start getting much more interaction, and their traffic will absolutely increase, if not today then probably tomorrow. And the best part is this, you can easily automate this. For example, if you let's say if you, the best one I have seen is the Zarway. Basically Zarway is having the literally Zarway is one of the cheapest if you want to own kind of any social media. If you want to start any kind of social media agency, you can handle 10 accounts, 10 social media accounts of any social media with just $20. Okay, so that's even less than it's about $2. Okay, so basically you are going to find most of the kind of social media you can connect on this website, and it's literally the cheapest website I have ever seen. Okay, so you can just try this website, and then you can simply automate the posts. That's what I can tell you. You can literally and how you can tell them that they are going to get the results. Basically you just need to do one thing. Okay, the one thing that you can do is just automate all of the things, like they are going to follow 100 people every single day on the Instagram and unfollow 100 people every single day on the Instagram. They are going to like 10 posts, like 20 posts, and stuff like that. So in this way their account will get much more interaction, and their followers will also increase, and they will also start getting tons of clicks for their website. Okay, so the final way is this, that they will start getting the traffic from this social media, the work you are doing, and finally they will think that this guy is really helping me a lot because he's giving value, because you are in one way you are helping him. So that's what you can do. You can literally, so the guys, you should not be confused, and I will share with you how you can take this over to $1,000. So basically the first thing, guys, the first thing is this, that people literally charge at least $500 for this service. Okay, so basically the first step is to head over to the any of the website. For example, I search for how to play guitar, and you can just head over to any website, and then simply just you have a lot of options. The first option is reach out to their social media. Okay, you just DM over there. Okay, just message on the Facebook or on the Instagram, and just have a same message. Okay, have a same template. Okay, and then just simply change the kind of the business owner name, and most of the time you are going to find the business owner name over here. So you look at this, basically this guy has not written about that, I think, but literally most of the time you're going to find it. But if you are not going to find it, you can simply write, hey guys, I'm the owner of the social media marketing agency, and I will be handling all your social media accounts, okay, where I will be posting on daily basis, and I will also help them to increase your website traffic, plus I will also help you to increase your followers on the social media as well. Okay, and if you think that this is really going to help me, we both can hop on the call, and I will also give you a 7 to 14 day free trial, and after that the price is $500 or maybe $1,000, whatever you want to write. Okay, so that's what the template is. It's going to be super easy. Just keep it super simple, and try giving them a free trial, because 90% of the guys are going to enter into that free trial. Okay, so now you have reached out to their website, you have found the ways, you have written a template. Okay, simply send that same message to 2 or 3 ways. Okay, the best way is this, just take their free kit, okay, and then just send the same message to their email. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it, and they are going to 90% of the guys are reply, because you are giving them a free trial. And in the free trial, almost even 80% of the people converts. Okay, but if you are giving the proper value, even 100% of the people are going to convert. Okay, so that's what you can do literally. So now you have figured out how to reach out to the clients, and what kind of the message you need to send to the business owner. Okay, so now what you can do, you can simply, after you have gotten the contract, you can simply come over on this website, and I think the trial is for about 5 days or something like that. It's not a week, yeah, it's about 5 days. So you can simply start using all of the just automate all of the process, and when they are going to pay you, you can simply buy this software. It's just $20 for 10 business accounts. So that's what you need to do. You can easily charge $500 for just handling one social media. It's the cheapest thing ever, and you can also run the Facebook ads, Instagram ads for them, and in return you can even charge $1,000. Okay, so now it's the time on how you can increase the $500 per month to the $1,000. So basically what you can do, you can simply start selling them the upsells. Like you can tell them, if you are going to give me 2 social accounts, I will charge you $400. And if you are going to give me 3 social accounts, I will charge you $1,000. So in this way, they will be much more likely to hand over the 3 accounts, and you can easily scale up from $500 to $1,000. You can easily double your income, and that's what it's the easiest way. Okay, so let me just do some let's just do some math, so you will think that how much you can make with this. Okay, so let's say you are going to just reach out to, let's say reaching out to just about 20-30 business owners is really not a big deal. Okay, so if you are going to reach out to 20 people every single day, getting about 90% of the people are going to enter into your trial. Okay, so let's say only there is 10% conversion. Okay, there is 10% conversion, overall 10% conversion. So 2 people are going to get your service for $500. So that's an $1,000 every single day, and you can easily make $1,000 per day. But the catch is this, you are going to make a lot more money than this. Okay, and almost more than 50% of the people will be ready for paying $1,000 to run their Facebook ad, to run their Instagram ad, or to handle more of the clients. But remember, if you are going to charge run their Facebook ads and all those things, you should at least charge $1,000. You should at least charge. You can decrease the price to $800 if they are going to give you 3 accounts. That's okay. That really does not matter so much if they are going to give you so many accounts. Okay, then you can literally give them a lower price. So that's you can easily make at least $2,000 with every single person. Okay, so and then it's the time. So every single day if you are going to get 2 clients, that's about 60 clients you have gotten in a month. And if at all you are going to charge $1,000, that's again $60,000. That's an extra $60,000. Let's say if you are going to get just 1 client every single day and you're just going to charge $30, I'm sorry, it's the $500. Okay, so $500 for the 30 guys, that's still $15,000. That's an easy $15,000. But it's guys simple number game. The more and more people you are going to reach out to, the more and more the yes you will get. You just need to write a template, change their name, and even you can easily reach out to 50 business owners. Okay, you can reach out to 50 business owners. You just need to enter to their website and take their course, free ebook, and then almost every website is having some kind of the newsletter sign up. So you can simply sign up to their newsletter and then simply just open the Gmail and then simply just enter all of the emails, okay, email IDs, and then simply just copy the template, and that's all. You can even use the what it is called, the mail merge extension. So it's going to be very easy to use. With this you can easily send the message to a large number of people. You can just simply come on the Google Docs. Okay, so basically when you are going to head over to the Google Docs, you can simply just write you can prepare a template in the Google Excel, okay, Google Excel sheet, and then you can simply copy you can simply import that whatever it is called, the Excel sheet, and then you can simply send a message to all of the people with just one click. So it's going to be super easy, but the catch is this: you have to put in the work to start getting. Now it's the time on how you can get a ton of more clients with these guys. Okay, let's say if at all you are going to get only 5 clients in a month. Okay, let me just increase its size. Okay, so let's say if you are going to just reach out to just 50 people. Okay, I'm sorry, if you are going to get only 5 clients in a month, but what you can do, you can simply tell them, if you are going to refer me to 2 people, I will give you 1 month for free. If you are going to reach out to me to 3 people, I will give you 4 people, I will give you 100% discount. Okay, for 2 months. Okay, so what you can do, and if you're going to reach out to me 10 people, I will give you 1 year for free. But the catch is this guy, okay, almost out of 5 there will be at least one guy that is going to give you at least 5 people. Let's say only out of those 5, only 1 people is going to refer you to 2 people, and 2 people are going to enroll. But the catch is this: you do not have to provide them free trial, because they are coming from the referral, and you can literally start charging them from day 1. That's what you can do. Okay, and now literally what you can do, you are going to give this guy free 1 month, but that really does not matter, because you are going to charge them in the coming time, plus there is an extra $1,000 to $2,000 from here. Okay, and now if this guy is going to refer to these 2 guys, out of these 2 guys only 1 guy is going to refer to 1, so the chain will keep on going and going, and you will keep on getting the clients automatically. So what you want to do is just make the satisfying customer and have a referral system, so that the people, you can make your own referral system. Like for 2 people I will give you 50% discount on first month, for 4 people free first month, for 6 people free 2 months. You can do something like this, so the people will take initiative to introduce you to their family business owners, okay, to their families, friends, so you can easily get more and more clients. Okay, literally 90% of the business owners do not even know what the hell is social media marketing, how you can do that, how you can leverage to do your business. So that's what you can easily make an extra $15,000 per month, and this is the most easiest business I have ever seen. Okay, this was the time. And guys, this is the time you can literally get into this, because after that, when it will keep on going saturated, you will not be able to charge this much price. The market will keep on saturated, people will keep on, there will be the price bidding, price wars, and it will be down to even $30, $50, something like that. Okay, so it's that time. And also, if you want to build another successful business of making at least $100 with zero investment, check out the first link in the description, because there I will be teaching you how you can make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner. Okay, So I will see you in the training, and bye bye, tata for now.